to Lua's Life. Today we are going to the Seafood Festival. Lua's Life.
Go say hello to the little mermaid. Go take a picture before we leave. We're gonna leave. Go just take a picture. Go there by Lua. Go, Aussie. He's a little shy. Look, you have sharks. Show your shirt and your car. Go there, go. Now take a picture. Look at mommy. Turn around and look at mommy. Turn around and look at mommy. She did ballet too, Lua. She just had ballet today. Came from ballet. Still has her. Oh, see, yes, look at that. Aww. Yay, good job, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hugs and hugs. Look at that, guys. How amazing. They are building a sand castle. Sand castle by FPL in Florida. Lua, where are you today?
I saw a mermaid.
You saw a mermaid? Where are you? You are at the Seafood Festival in Dania Beach. There's an awesome band playing. Let's go see the sand castle. Let's come around, Daddy. Come around. There's small. Oh, look at this. It's an octopus. Wow. An ocean breeze. Puts a mind at ease. It does. It really does. If you need me, call me on my shell. Lua, isn't that awesome? They're making out of sand. Isn't that amazing? Wow. DB for Dania Beach. And here we have the FPL logo and a turtle. Look at that. Oh, it's so beautiful. They do it good. Look at that. Detailed, huh? You want to go to the park? All right, let's find one. Let's go. This is the starfish stage. Nice little band playing. Dania Historical Society, arts and crafts, and lots of seafood everywhere. We know these people. Those are beautiful fairies. Look at the fairies, Lua. The fairies. Fairy tales can come true once upon a time. Look how awesome. Wow, look at this beautiful sculpture. It's a seahorse. I don't know what it's made of, but the guy is actually doing it right now. Painting. Wow. How amazing. Look how beautiful the colors. Marcos Conde. Amazing, great job. Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, see, are you ready to go in the choo-choo train?
Have a seat.
Lua, are you ready to go in the choo-choo train?
Hold on.
Let's go, guys. Oh, see, we're going to choo-choo train. Oh, see, choo-choo, choo-choo. Yay, the train is leaving.
Where are we going?
I don't know. Where are we going, Lua? Chaga, chaga, choo-choo. Listen, listen. All aboard the choo-choo train. We're going all around. All aboard the choo-choo train. All aboard the choo-choo train. Hey guys! Yay! Wave, guys! Isn't that amazing? How's the train, Lua? Yay! Oh, look, it's Daddy! Hi, Daddy! Where did you go, Elsie? Where did you go? Tell me. What was that?
Go up.
All around you went? Who took you there? Who took you there? Huh? The choo-choo train. Did you like going in the choo-choo train? Tell the guys, I went on the choo-choo train.
On the choo-choo train.
Yeah, did you like it? Was it awesome? Awesome. Choo-choo train in Dania Beach. Choo-choo.
I walked in there ready to buy it, and I'm standing there, and the guy doesn't acknowledge me. Like, he's helping somebody, but I'm standing there, and doesn't acknowledge me. And then I go over by another guy who's also helping somebody.
Cartwheel competition. Let me see. Cartwheel competitions. Woohoo! Yay! Yay, Elsie! Good job.
What's the next challenge?
The next challenge?
Okay, she did a running one. Should I do a running one now?
A running, yeah, do a running cartwheel. Let's go. Yay! That is an awesome running cartwheel. Running cartwheels. Oh! Woohoo! Good job! Yay! Oh, they did so many already that they're dizzy. Good job, guys.
Challenge.
The next challenge, one more challenge? We're waiting for the desserts.
What's the next challenge?
I don't know. I'll think about it. Look at that.
It feels so weird.
It feels weird. Harper. Happy birthday, Harper. Yay. Oh my gosh. You guys. That must be therapeutic. Oh, see, one at a time. You got into the fire. Just get one there. Go get Elsie, go get one. Ah! Playing. And the kids, the big ones, throwing water balloons. Got one in their head. Elsie. Great job. Heavy, heavy.
One more big one. Oh,
Yay! Good job, good job, good job.
come on, one more big hit. Come on. Good job.
Yay!
Go, Hank.
They're breakdancing.
Look at tongue out. Patty, dude. Tongue out. Patty,
Look at the breakdance.
good.
The music stops free.
Oh.
Oh, wow!
Stop, sit. Stop. Keep going. All the way. All the way. Come on, all the way. Oh, I'm too blue. I didn't know I was too blue. I'm too blue. Yeah. We will play more music. Look. I got 3 rings.
Lua, what is that?
A big balloon.
That glows in the dark?
Mine.
Let me see. Go there in the darkness, right there. Go there in the forest in the darkness. Let me see your balloon, Lua. Wow, how cool! How cool! Wow! Wow, look at that! Oh no! Oh! Put it in another one, Harp. There's a light inside, Lua.